Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit a snap on your memories. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and log in with your account. So guys, I'm using a Android version, so I'm going to be teaching you accordingly. So now let's start. So now let me just go to memories. So it might take some time in my device. Also, it's loaded. So now I have a picture over here, so I want to edit this. So what I'm going to be doing is I have this down arrow option over here. Just press over here. Now here you are in the edit menu, so you can do anything you want. You want to add text, you can add text. You want to like have a brush type like this, or what you can do, you can change the filter by just swiping it to right or left. So you can choose any filter that you want. If you want to resize it, you can have a crop option over here as well, like this one. You can expand, you can do this, you can press on OK. So you can do a lot of things over here. But that's pretty much, guys. That's how you're gonna be doing. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.